Washington Street. Here again is 1, 7, 3, and 4 World Trade Center. Freedom Tower. And Tower 3 with the external cladding now starting. You can also see One World Trade Center's reflection. Very nice. Bridge Street.
What's going to be about?
So really it's just the sides with the construction elevators left. Fins are popping out on the base. Just another look at the Vehicle Security Screening Center. Again, that's mostly underground, so now at the request of a subscriber, I was told that some new glass is starting on Tower 4 at the lobby, so I'm going to see if I can take a look at that. Alright, that information was, in fact, accurate. Here is new lobby glass for Tower 4. Very nice. So basically for Tower 4, this side, once these construction elevators are removed, will be filled in. And yes, the new lobby glass is there for Tower 4. Alright, this is Trinity Place and Liberty Street, Tower 4 and 3 World Trade Center. Very sharp. Tower 4 is almost completely filled in. And Tower 3, I guess, is working its way around now. But again, the machines that pour the concrete are still not there, so it's still on hold. So here's Tower 4. And we're going to move over to Tower 3. Here's Tower 4's lobby. I'm now approaching Tower 3. All right, here's Tower 3 again.
See what the people out there? That's the building. You know the people? How do you know?
Seems like there's nothing in the back yet, still, but that cladding, the mechanical cladding, and I guess the glass too, will eventually wrap its way around the tower. There's that crane, it's just been sitting there. It will help with seal construction once it gets the green light. There's the Freedom Tower behind it. This is just Tower 4 again. And here's Tower 4 again. There's Tower 4's lobby glass. Alright, this is the back of Tower 3 again. There's still nothing here, but it'll get here eventually. I'm guessing within a month or two, the cladding will be wrapped around. Not complete, but there'll be some back here. Looks like a little more work has been done to the transit hub externally. So here's more external work on the transit hub. Starting to take shape. I thought there'd be a little more than this by now, but I guess they're taking their time. So this is what's here for the transportation hub right now, which will serve PATH trains when complete and other New York City subways. It's just Tower 3 again. Here's just another look at the transit hub before I continue. So that's going to be the transportation hub. Tower 2, there's basically absolutely nothing going on with it right now. I'm going to get to it in a minute. But here again is One World Trade Center and Tower 7. Base cladding appears to have been held on this side. The east side looks like it's been held. This is an amazing building. A true marvel. Here again is the transit hub. There appears to be work started on the other end too. So it's also made some progress. Significant, in my opinion.
They'll probably start doing a lot better.
Here's Tower 2.